This is an explanatory video for HC-200NH ammonia nitrogen sensor assembling procedure. Remove the sensor cap followed by removing the dummy chips. Shake these two ion chips well before use. Remove the protective cap of the ammonium ion chip. Check the ring color of the chip and attach it to the sensor slot of the same color. Similarly, remove the protective cap of the potassium ion chip and attach it to the sensor. Remove the liquid junction cap from the transparent bag while ensuring not to spill the liquid inside. Remove the reference chip protective cap. Pour the liquid from the transparent bag onto the liquid junction cap and attach it to the reference chip. Press the liquid junction gently with your finger. Attach the reference chip to the sensor. Attach the sensor cap to complete the sensor assembling.